Hello everybody, today I want to tell you about how to save Facebook password in Gmail account. Okay, the first thing that you need, know is doesn't matter if you have Android, iPhone or laptop, okay? Now, another thing, if doesn't matter if you use Gmail or Google, it's the same account. Remember, with your Gmail account, your Gmail account is your Google account, okay? Your Facebook account, your Word account. If you use Google Photos, Google Picture is your Gmail account is the same, okay? Google is only account. Now you can use your Gmail or you can use your Google, okay? Like that. Open and can you watch in the corner? Always all apps have these options, okay? All Google apps have this option. In the corner, can you watch your profile touch? Now, when your account scroll, and here can you watch your password, button password, and here you can add a new password. You can add here your Facebook account, your email, and your password and save, okay? It's so easy and really fast. Don't forget that, okay? It's the same. Doesn't matter if you use Gmail or Google Lens or Google Picture or OneDrive, okay? Google Drive, sorry. Okay, it's the same. It's so easy and really fast. Okay, sorry for my bad English. Have a good day and see you later.